Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a BMW X3 battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing appropriate eye protection and gloves. You'll need a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension to complete this task. Before starting, make sure your BMW X3 is completely turned off and the key is out of the ignition to prevent any electrical issues. To begin, locate the battery in the trunk of your BMW X3, typically found beneath the floor panel on the right side. Carefully lift the panel to expose the battery. Using your 10mm socket and ratchet, loosen and remove the negative terminal first. Always disconnect the negative terminal before the positive to avoid short circuits. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. With both terminals disconnected, you'll now need to remove the battery's hold-down clamp. This is usually a 10mm bolt securing the battery at its base. Once the clamp is removed, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. Remember, car batteries are heavy, often weighing over 40 pounds, so lift with care. Watch for any attached vent tubes or small cables. When it's time to install your new battery, simply reverse the removal steps. Carefully place the new battery into its tray, ensuring it sits flush. Secure the hold-down clamp firmly to prevent any movement. Then, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, making sure all connections are tight and secure. Double-check that no tools are left in the battery compartment before closing everything up. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.